From these sprawling halls in the heart of Austria, precision engineering meets raw power, crafting the next generation of off-road machines.
Inside the curing oven, the powder coat bakes at a precise 180 degrees Celsius.
End play is within spec.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the next step.
Once the piston slides smoothly into the bore, the connecting rod cap is secured and torqued to the manufacturer's specification. The assembly moves with rhythmic precision. The leak-down tester confirms a perfect seal before the head moves to the engine line.
No leaks detected, all green on the diagnostic.
Verified. Clear it for the line.
Power sequence initiated. All indicators cycling nominal.
Diagnostics confirmed. System integrity verified.
Proper chain tension is critical. We use a laser alignment tool to ensure precision before torquing the axle nut to spec.
The alignment on the rear swing arm is perfect.
Surface finish confirmed. Checklist complete. Approved for release.
This is the moment of release. Every component, every weld, tested and perfected.
gears. The straps are tightened gradually until the tension gauges stabilize precisely within the required specifications.
Almost there. Keep it coming. That's good. Set it down. Load secured.
All right, manifest confirmed. You are clear for global distribution. See you at the next checkpoint.
Panels clear. Ready for the hoist stabilization.
Engaging the slings now. Front brace is clear.
With the transport protection carefully peeled away, the precision-engineered suspension is checked, preparing the motorcycle for its first ride.
I've confirmed the torque values. The tablet shows green across the board.
Excellent. Setup is complete.
We've reviewed the suspension, handlebar setup, and accessory fitment. Everything is configured exactly as requested.
The suspension can be adjusted here. Ensure proper chain slack, and you'll find the air filter access right behind this panel for easy maintenance.
Measurements are within limits. The brake system is approved. We gently blow the dust from the filter, then apply the specialized oil evenly before securing the airbox.
final update to the digital service record ensures the life cycle continuation of this precision machine.
The suspension travel peaks sharply here.
Yes, the compression damping needs adjustment. I'll update the geometry notes.
Precision is paramount. Here, the engineers fine-tune the damping rates, ensuring optimal performance for the demanding off-road conditions.
Reading stabilized. We have full validation on the bracket stress points.
Confirmed. Moving to the next phase.
The cycle time metrics clearly show the improvement. We need to lock this in.
Action point logged for the suspension integration phase.
The diameter is precisely within tolerance.
Excellent. I am logging the compliance report now.
All right, for step 4, ensure the torque wrench is set correctly. You should hear that distinct click once the component is...
The real-time data shows a significant drop in energy consumption here.
Yes, the new measures are working better than expected.
Trial assembly successful. We can implement this immediately.
Good work, Character A.
The simulation shows a 20% gain in torque delivery.
That aligns perfectly with the new performance targets.
The torsional stress on the frame remains within acceptable limits.
Yes, the fatigue analysis looks promising at 10,000 cycles.
We've reached the upper limit, 45 degrees Celsius.
Stability confirmed across all parameters. The seals are holding.
Look at the crack propagation data. It's well within tolerance.
Agreed. The material is validated for the new frame design.
Look at the suspension data here. That spike correlates directly with the terrain reports from the Baja team. We need to flag this for the design review immediately.
The stress analysis confirms the stiffness. Look at the data here.
And the weight reduction is confirmed. This is ready for approval.
I'm finalizing the pilot build strategy based on these metrics.
Looks solid. Let's lock it in.
As you can see on the cutaway engine, the aluminum components have been redesigned for better heat dissipation.
Pay close attention to step 3. The torque specification has changed. All right, let me try the new setting now.
As you can see, the final metrics are confirmed green across the board.
Excellent work. Let's get this signed off.
End of cycle. Continuous innovation legacy.